Uh, Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm tasks and word mass method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 6, B is 16, C is 32 and D is 52. So let's see after solving it, which answer is correct? So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. As you can see, we will discuss here two rules, odd mass and palm dance rule. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first if you are going left to right. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve the bracket first. So inside bracket, we have three operations. So first of all, we have to solve division and multiplication. What we will do, we will go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So first we have 30 divided by 6 equals to 5. Multiply by 5 and plus 1 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 30 divided by 6 equals to 5. Now again, we will go left to right and find out division and multiplication. So now we have multiplication 5 5 are 25 plus 1 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25. Now we have here two terms inside the bracket which we will add both of them and get the answer is 26. So we will add them and get the answer is 26. And here we will give the reference 25 plus 1 equals to 26. Now we have two terms which are multiplying each other. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is 50. So if you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.